Hi everyone, today we're gonna do this project. As you see, there is a hungry shark is going around and getting a lot of fish. It has a great feast in an aquarium. And by the way, as you see, the fishes are getting lost and then they're coming back after 4 or 5 seconds. The project of aquarium. Firstly, I need to go to backdrop. Choose backdrop. I can go underwater, and I would like to choose the second one. It's up to you. You can choose the first one as well. And then another thing, I need to choose the character. I can quickly write there shark. And by the way, when you hover the mouse around, you can see it's animating, and you can prefer which one would you like to use. I like to use the second one. And by the way, I don't need the cat underwater. I will just delete it. And then later on, as you see, this part is the coding area, coding stage, where I'm going to use this the blocks and interlocking blocks, and I'm gonna do some algorithms to control the shark. Let me firstly get the from events. When I click on this flag, so I want all the animation start. I would like to change the size of the block so you can see better. From here, I will ask firstly the shark move forward. I go to motion and move 10 steps. So when I click on the flag, the shark will go always forward. But you shouldn't need to click on this continuously. Instead, I can use from control, you will see the forever. So it's going to repeat the action over and over. Let's see now. But as you see, the shark stopped when it reached to the most right. I want him to go back. For that thing, I'm gonna go to motions, and you will see if on edge bounce. So when the shark hit on the edge, it's going to bounce, as you see. Okay, but I don't want from the shark to rotate like this. In that case, you can get the set rotation, so it will only rotate to the left and right. By the way, you can click on this and you can see more options. Don't rotate all around. So I want it only left and right. And secondly, as you remember, the shark was animating. I want also the shark to be animated. For that thing, I'm gonna go to looks. We will find the next custom. So as you see, the shark looks very, very hungry. I would like to give a command that the shark do this slowly. So for that thing, I'm gonna go to control and find the wait. So when it changes the next custom, it's going to wait 1 second, but 1 second will make this really slow. I'm gonna do this 0.3, so it could be better. Alright, and by the way, I can also change the direction of this little bit, so it's going to go in a lot of directions. As you see, it's going a little bit up. Now we will get food for the shark. For that thing, we will get new sprites from this part. We go to right there, fish. Okay, I would like to get this one. And now we will also quickly program this. I go to firstly event to get the flag, okay, because I want action start when I click on the flag. And the next thing is going to be to get the control, and I want from fish also to move continuously. That's why I took the forever. And then I get the move 10 steps for the fish, and it's going to bounce. Alright, we need to also get this one, so it will only do left and right. Alright, and by the way, from the looks, I can get this switch custom, because when you click on the fish, from the customs you can see that there are 4 customs of the fish. I will firstly go with the fish A, and when I do the same thing I will go with the fish B, and we will have 4 different fishes inside the aquarium. And I'll do this one, fish A, as I said earlier, and then this fish is going to move around. Let's run this together. When I press, as you see, it's moving around. I can also change its direction. Fish goes really fast. I can slow down this by control, getting another weighting. It could be 0.2 could be good. Alright, and by the way, I can also change the size of the fish with 50, so it's going to decrease the size of this to half size. Now it's time to program to make the small fish get disappeared when it touched to the shark. To do that, we're gonna firstly think without programs. Let's firstly say that if the small fish touched to the shark, we will say hide and wait for a while and show himself again. So this is the idea that we're gonna solve the algorithm. Let's do what we thought together. Firstly, we need to find the if. If is in the control, and I'll get this one if. Okay. So what we said, if fish touch to the shark, I go to sensing, and from sensing I will find the touching, and touching to whom? Touching to shark. And then I said that we have to make the fish hide. We go to looks, and from here I will go to choose the hide. And later on, let's firstly stop this. I want the fish wait for a while in a hide mode. I go to control, get the wait, and it will wait for 4 seconds in a hide mode, and then after 4 seconds to show himself. That's it. Let's run this one more time. By the way, I can minimize this and you can see hold the program. Let's run it one more time and see what's gonna happen. Let's take the shark this way. So as you see, the fish is disappeared, and after 4 seconds the fish is back. Okay, I can click on the fish and you can see the program one more time. If touching to the shark, hide for 4 seconds and then show again, and later on the program continues like this. Now we can add more fishes by clicking right and duplicate. But as you see, fish is over there. I need to click on this so they will start moving. I can just change their direction so they will be in different places. As you see, all the fishes are same as we did in the beginning. The switch customs fish A should be replaced with the fish B, C and D. I go to fish 2 and change this with the B, and this one to be changed with C, and then last one, no, it should be C, yes, and then last one will be D. And we will have 4 different fishes in the stage. By the way, you can also duplicate those ones, and we will have 2 from each. So we prepare the feast for our shark, so it's chilling to eat a lot of fish. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you like the project, and we will have a lot of projects in the coming tutorials. See you there. Bye bye.